Okay, today is Saturday before Labor Day, and it's time to plant collards. In today's video, we're going to show you how we plant collards here in North Carolina. We've got the field disced and ran the field cultivator over it a couple of times. So now I'm going to run rows with our Super A and the disc healers. After we get them ran, I'm going to take the disc healers off, put a board on it, and run back and knock the rows off, make sort of a bed. And if you can just show out there where I've got the turnips and rutabagas planted, you see sort of what the bed's going to look like. I got those planted this past week. So I'm going to get on the tractor and see if I can run a straight row. I think I'm going to try to just drive to that signpost out there and try to get a straight row. Alright, well I got some of the rows knocked down and we're going to start planting collards. I want to knock the rest of them down later and that way they'll be ready to plant. We're going to plant some turnips and rutabagas and mustard over there too. But anyway, I got us some rows here we can start on, and the next step is to pull these plants up over here and transplant them.
Hey Daisy, is you thirsty?
Alright, we're filling our buckets up.
Sorry.
And trying to get wet all over and watering the dog. And this water goes in the transplanter here. Fills that big section there, and then you drop the plant down that little section, then you squeeze the trigger and it gives the plant a shot of water as it goes in the ground. It works pretty good. I guess were they made for tobacco, Daddy, or were they made for whatever?
It was made for tobacco.
It was made for tobacco, but we use it for collards.
Ride the hose like that. But she loves it, so.
And Daisy's not decided if she wants to help or hinder.
Probably going to be hindered.
There is one right here I've already dug. That little one right there, and then this one right here.
So what we're doing now is pulling up our transplants. And hopefully they won't be too bad to pull up.
You will hold them and all.
Yep, that's fine. I can probably try to pull some too.
Maybe. We'll do 25 or
yeah.
what?
Alright, so that is marking our distance. We got a marker made. And we're going to transplant them. We pulled about 30, we'll set what we got and then pull some more.
Thank you. Let me get this trash out of here.
Stacy's not happy.
We had a frog in it.
Ew.
Yeah, you got one drop?
No, I do not. Now I do. Do you want me to go on the other side?
Don't matter. What's your side?
Some of them might be about too big to go through the thing.
Well, if we have to, we'll trim some of the
Yeah.
leaves off.
Alright, today is Monday, which is Labor Day. And we planted a fair amount of collards on Saturday. And they're looking pretty good. We've already planted some this morning I didn't get on video. But they're coming along, we're coming along pretty good. I'd say a little over 500 is what we've got set so far. We set over 400 on Saturday. Coming along good though. I got those rows knocked down since the last video clip. And I planted some turnips and rutabagas and mustard over there. We've got the turnips and rutabagas over here. I got some beets. They're coming up. Hopefully they won't be too thin. There's a couple of spots that look a little thin to me now, but that might change as they get bigger. But anyway, we're going to get back to setting some collards. We got to pull some more over there. And we'll get back to setting. Alright, well we finished planting for today. And we finished planting, I guess, what we're going to plant other than some resets. And a possibility we might plant a few more later. We've got a little bit over 800. Probably like 830 something or somewhere around there. These are the ones we planted Saturday. And then these are the ones we planted today. Of course they're flopped. but hopefully they'll survive pretty good. It's supposed to be some cooler weather this week compared to what we've been having. So that's the planting process. The next step's going to be plowing and fertilizing until it's time to start sowing.